Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll try to cover Beautiful Soap in more detail and introduce some other useful features of it. Here's the list of topics we will touch on. First, I'll explain the difference between the select method and find all methods, and why I should prefer the first one more often. Next, we'll look for use cases when you access parents and children elements through specific properties, and we'll review how to get to the text content of tags. First, let me explain the difference between the select and the find all methods. Both of them are aiming to capture all elements by some predefined criteria. For example, here's how you can modify the code from the previous tutorial to use the find all method and still reach the same result. As you see, the find all method requires you to define selectors in a Pythonic way, while the select methods allows a more natural JavaScriptish way. That's why I prefer the first one. The find method does the same thing that the find all does, but only matches the first element if it exists. It's not hard to conclude that the same thing can be achieved through the select method and usage of some Python magic. Sometimes, selecting an element by class name or tag can lead to instability of the script. We'll definitely see such cases in future tutorials. Beautiful Soap has properties children and parents for these cases, as with them you access children and parents elements without actual CSS selector. For example, here's a fancy way of printing all the quotes without accessing the title element. In the previous screenshot, you may have noticed the usage of the select property. It's a convenient way to retrieve the text content of the element. Funnily enough, BS4 has also a getText method capable of doing the same. Here, I'll let you select the preferred way on your own. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks.